Hi, I'm here to make a quick review on my instasmile veneers. I got them for a really good price, keeping in mind that they're made of good quality and they really work well with me. I have missing two teeth on my sides, on my upper parts, so I ordered the top veneers on the A1 colored shade, and I really am very satisfied with the product. And overall, after using the product, I don't have any problems speaking or eating with them on. It's just getting used to the product for a short time, then you'd be really used to it. So here they are, the top veneers. I'm just gonna put them on. And you hear an audible click, and that means it's snug and fit. As you can see, they fit me real well. So thank you so much for your help. I hope this helps others in choosing the type of veneers they want for themselves. Thank you so much.